Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tanish. हाँ, मैंने थोड़ा टाइम लिया बुक रिव्यू करने के लिए and I'm genuinely sorry for that. Well, the reason is कि बुक थोड़ा बड़ा था तो मुझे पढ़ने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगा और उसका रिव्यू बनाने के लिए भी थोड़ा टाइम लगा. But nevertheless, I've came up with a video, so let's get started. So today I've came up with this book named Business Maharajas, which has been written by Geeta Piramal. Well, this book is actually a biography of 7 business Indian tycoons who have gained riches since a long time. Well, I name few like Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata, R.P. Goenka, Aditya Birla, Rahul Bajaj, Brij Mohan Khaitan, Bharat and Vijay Shah. Well, technically I was aware of like Ambanis and Bajaj and Birlas and Tatas, but I wasn't aware of Khaitan and about R.P. Goenka even. So these are few names which are really new to me, and that is been written here in the book itself. How they started, how they actually came up with their business, and all about it has been written in this book. So now I'll take you slowly through each of the business tycoons and how they started. Well, everyone is aware about Ambanis and Tatas and Birlas, but today I'll be talking about some other business tycoons. So firstly it is Goenka. So उन्होंने जो company start किए थे उसमें C8 Tires, which was the company he started. Then he started KEC Internationals, which is infrastructure company. It's a big company. And Zensar Technologies, which comes into IT. Well, other than that, उनका interest governance में भी था. तो he served as a MP of Rajya Sabha for around 6 years, I can say, and he presided over the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, which is FICCI. He was on boards of Steel Authority of India Limited, the SAIL company, and on boards of Reserve Bank of India also. On General Insurance, IDBI Bank, IIT Kharagpur and IMI Delhi, and I can say that that's a lot of qualification. So I promise you that reading this book, I mean, I'm just talking about one person right now. He's got so much of qualification. Trust me, when you're reading 7 different information about business tycoons, what kind of information you'll be getting in this book. So now I'll be talking about Brij Mohan Khaitan, who is popularly known as the Evergreen Tea Man of India. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं है उनका business क्या था, so that's why I thought I'd tell you this, that he rescued this firm called as Williamson Mager from extinction and turned it into a very mighty firm. Williamson Mager is the largest tea producer in the world, which has around 40,000 hectares of land, employing around 90,000 workers and producing more than 100 million kilos in tea. Well, other than the tea business, he was also the chairman of Eveready Industries, which is the largest dry cell battery maker in the world. So now I'll be talking about Bharat and Vijay Shah, who were college dropouts who later went and became one of the largest influential diamond merchants in the country. Well, other than that, they were also world's largest carat kazas, founding and heading an empire of 35 billion conglomerate, which is known as B. Vijay Kumar in India, with an interest in diamonds, constructions and films. So as I have mentioned that this is a biography, the book is really great to read. Even in hand it feels good. The print quality is good. There isn't any problem about the text size. It's normal, I can say. Easy to read, easy to understand. The vocabulary used here is pretty simple, and I mean there won't be any issue from the reader's side perspective. One thing which I like good in this book is before every chapter starts. So if I'm reading about Ambanis, before the chapter starts, there is a family tree in here. So you just get a good insight of what their family is, who really started the business, and what is the current status right now. So that is a good thing about this book. Before every chapters, there is a family tree of all of these 7 business tycoons. One thing which I don't like about this book is the publication. It's very old. It's a 1996 publication. So suppose आपको अंबानी के बारे में information चाहिए, so पूरी information ये book में नहीं है. जो information है, it is restricted till the year 1996 itself. So अगर आपको information चाहिए तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन सपोज आपको अंबानी की चाहिए फिर बिरलास की चाहिए तो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको उतनी ही मिलेगी कि उन्होंने उसका बिजनेस कैसे स्टार्ट किया और कहाँ तक लाया. So it is everything till the year 1996 itself. I bought this book for around 500 rupees, which is around 470 pages book. And me as a reader, I would definitely be okay paying 500 rupees for this book, because I am really getting a lot of information in here. And it was really fun to read this book. It is always fun to read a biography of any person who is like started a business, or whatever it could be. So it was really good from my side, and I would be totally fine. I won't regret that I paid 500 rupees to read this book. So I don't feel that the cost could be any problem here. Well, there are other two editions of this book also, known as Business Legends and Business Mantras. So you can even take a look at that also. So yeah, that is all from me now. I'll be back again with new exciting videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.